This Monday we're launching our program for the CAT exam, CAT and the non-CAT exam. So in case you want to join, please call the numbers given here so you can get in touch with my team for books, mocks, shortcuts, e-classes, any of the programs. This Monday we're also keeping a demo lecture. So in case you want to attend and see the way we teach, you're most welcome to attend the demo lecture as well. So please call the numbers given here. Guys, my academic record is weak. I have too much work experience. I'm a fresher, this, that. There are many things people will tell you or they will ask me. They normally ask me every day, sir, hoga ke nahi hoga? Let me keep it simple. Engineer versus non-engineer, boys versus girls, academic diversity. There are millions of problems around us. I am kind of person who always believe in quantifying. मुझे तुम बता दो करना क्या, मैं करके दिखाऊंगा. If you tell me ना ये book कर ले, just study this book, you will pass. I will do that book. I will do that book twice. So I'm going to give you 5 things. If you do these 5 things, I guarantee you I am call. See, first of all, guarantee कोई लेता नहीं है. Fine. Yesterday, a student pinged me, sir, what if the wave 3 comes? Yeah. Then CAT might get delayed. Guarantee CAT होगा भाई, उसका भी नहीं है. There is guarantee of nothing on this earth. So how can we give a guarantee? But our job is to try. आगे भगवान की मर्जी. Fine, no one can chop, no one can beat you. You might be 100% Tyler. If you fumble up in the interviews, you might not get selected in the IIMS also. So let's start with a list of 5 things. Number 1 is there 35 chapters in our books, in our orange books. There are total 35 chapters. आगे जाके in the upcoming videos, I'll give the breakup of every chapter, importance of every chapter. For today, you have to cover up all 35 chapters. I won't take on every chapter. पढ़ने के बाद, बिना पढ़े नहीं. Fine. 35 chapter, do that. There are few topics where you might be weak at, where you don't understand at all. Let's do the basics. Let's do 20 questions. But the topic where you are good at, let's go into the depth. Do 50 questions, 100 questions, 200 questions. Totally your wish. Strong area, front foot pe khelo, attack. On the weaker area, back foot. I want to save myself. I'll do few things so that if an easy question come, I'll solve. Otherwise, not. So total 35 chapters across quant, verbal, DI logic in our orange books. Complete all 35 chapters. That's your first target. In depth or on the outline is totally your wish, depending upon the topic by topic. You have to see that. Point number 2 is 50 questions per chapter. I want you to solve 50 questions, even if you have to look at the solution in the back. It's all right. It's okay. Out of 50 questions, you can hardly solve 5 to 10 questions yourself. Remaining 30 questions, you have to look at the solution first, especially in the topic like numbers, PNC probability. Yeah, you have to see the solution first to understand. Oh, अच्छा ऐसे करना था. It's all right. रट्टा मारो, रट्टा मतलब ये नहीं कि पेज नंबर 2 क्वेश्चन नंबर A आंसर नंबर A, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आंसर A, सेकंड आंसर B. No, रट्टा means the method. We have done this all our life. 4 years of engineering, I passed my engineering by rectifying everything. So rectify. That's point number 2. I want to rectify every type of question which is there, so that tomorrow if that kind of a question come in the exam, you should know how to solve. Okay. Point number 3 is 30 marks. Now you can argue I will give 50, you can give 60, you can give 10. I have taken recording the interview who have converted IIM Bangalore without giving a single mock. Without a single mock. ठीक है, हर एक अपना अपना होता है. बट आई नीड अ थंबनेल. यू कैन आर्ग्यू विद मी यार, अभी कमेंट आएंगे, इसके ऊपर कमेंट आएंगे, ऐसा नहीं होता, ये नहीं होता, वो हाँ मत तू करना भाई. दिस इज फॉर द स्टूडेंट हु आर लॉस्ट. दिस वीडियो इज फॉर अ स्टूडेंट लाइक मी. मुझे क्वांटिफाई करके दे दो, आई विल अचीव दोज नंबर्स. ठीक है, वो हो पाए नहीं हो पाए बात की बात है. फाइन, दिस इज माई वे ऑफ स्टडिंग. ओके. Alright, number 3 is mocks. So I believe in around 30 mocks. You can touch 25. You can, in CA taking login ID, we are giving you 40 mocks. 4 baby mocks to start with. Every 15 days, I want you to give a mock. Just keep giving a mock every 15 days. Score कम ही आएगा यार. Starting में score will be very less. Gradually we'll improve our scores. Okay, keep giving the mocks. So, and then total 35 mocks are there in the login ID. Your target is to touch 30 numbers. You touch 30 numbers, I can promise you, guaranteed IIM call. Fine. Point number 4. Point number 4, we are going to revise everything 3 times. If you do 35 chapters, you won't remember that. So May, June, I'm going to make a detailed video on this after this. May, June, let's complete the syllabus once. August, September, October, let's do the syllabus second time. Last month of November, I wanted to revise everything third time. You want to make notes, you want to make notes in the books. Whichever we want to do, you have to complete the syllabus 3 times. एक बार में नहीं समझेगा, impossible. You have to do it 3 times, or at least 2 times. फाइन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वंस वी डूइंग द क्लास के बाद घर जाके रिवाइज करना इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओनली अटेंडिंग द क्लासेज डज नॉट सॉल्व द पर्पस. ओके, यू हैव टू गो होम एंड रिवाइज. ऑलराइट, लास्ट पॉइंट ऑन द लिस्ट इज योर मॉक्स के साथ तुम टेस्ट वेस्ट देते जाओ, टॉपिक वाइज टेस्ट सेक्शन. लास्ट इज सेक्शनल. आई वॉन्ट 888. टच दिस मैजिक नंबर 888 क्वेश्चन करेक्ट per section. I can promise you an IIM call. You are an engineer, you are a non-engineer, you are this, that. Outliers are there, no doubt about this. Somebody 8 क्वेश्चन करेक्ट, अटेम्प्ट नहीं है. बाद में कॉल आता मेरे को, आपने कहा था 8 क्वेश्चन, मैं तो 24 करके आया, मैं तो एक 0 मार्क्स आया, एक भी कॉल नहीं आया. तो भाई सब रॉन्ग करके आया, मेरी गलती क्या है? यू हैव टू डू 8 नेट क्वेश्चन करेक्ट. Suppose I did 10 attempts, so or you want to keep it as a number, so 24 marks, 24 marks, 24 marks is your target. Do these 5 things: mocks, books, 50 question per chapter, revise the syllabus 3 times, and cut off of 888. I can promise you a IIM call. You are an engineer, non-engineer, doesn't matter. Fine, at least new IIM का call तो आएगा. जाना है नहीं जाना ये है वो है, सब बात की बात है यार. This is quantifying the syllabus into 5 things, smart targets. Okay, fine. I was talking about this to one of the faculties at some other coaching institute last year. He said nahi, for engineers have to be separate, BCom have to be separate, then somebody who got 10 12th में 60 that have to be separate, somebody got 80 have. अरे बाबा ऐसे कितने combination बनाओगे यार, ठीक है. So there are 10 combinations suppose, and then someone come with a 50 graduation record है 60 90 70, उसका अलग आएगा. फिर कितने बनाओगे? This is simplified version. 80 to 80-20 preference. 80% audience will fall into this thing. Okay, this is a routine. If you follow, guaranteed IIM call. You want to do it, you don't want to do it, you want to adapt as per your requirement, you can do that. For example, someone says, nahi, I'll do 100 questions per chapter. Superb. I don't want to do all 35. I'll do only 30 or 25. Superb. You can do that. It's totally your wish. 888 is the bare minimum number you to touch. You want 30, you can get 25 question. Whatever question would do right is bro totally your wish. This is the minimum marks required. ये number touch कर दो, I can promise you an IIM call. Alright, all the best. So in case you want to join a program, please call the numbers given here so that my team can get in touch, or you can get in touch with my team so to join our program. Only for the books or mocks, shortcuts, whichever program you want to join, or the complete e-classes, it's totally your wish. All the best. Hi guys, at CETing we're launching our online program. So in case you want to join our program, just call us on any of the numbers given here to join the program. We're also conducting our demo lecture this Friday. That is today we have a demo lecture from 6 to 7 p.m. Yeah. Otherwise Monday we're launching our new program. So in case you want to join, just call the numbers given here.